Here we're going to look at graphing a cubic function. So just like any graph, we can just plug in points. Specifically, they ask us to do 5 points so that we can make sure we have our graph all in the right spot. And so we'll just pick different stuff for x and y. One of them that's really easy to plug in is 0, because notice this will be negative 9/8 times 0, so anything times 0 is 0. So that one works out nicely. Then maybe let's say if I put x as 1. So this will say negative 9/8, and 1 to the third is just 1. So it looks like I get negative 9/8. And then how about if I try negative 1? Because I already have the kind of the work here. Same thing, only I get positive 9/8. And what other points might be good to do? So just, you don't have to pick numbers like that are difficult to plug in. So I'd say if I try 0 and 1, let's try 2. So this says negative 9/8 times 2 to the third. 2 to the third is 8, so it looks like the 8's cancel, so I get negative 9. And then same thing if I try negative 2. Negative 2 to the third is negative 8, so the 8's still cancel, but also there the negatives cancel. Alright, so let's see about putting these all on a graph then. So first I had the point 0, 0. So right there at the origin. And the rest of them, if you're, get them close to where they look like they are. So 1 negative 9/8 is over 1, and 9/8 is just a little more than 1. So down a little bit more than 1. And then we also did negative 1 and we got positive 9/8. So negative 1 and up a little more than 1. And then our last 2 points were 2, negative 9, and negative 2, 9. So if I go over 2, I end up down 9. So right about there. And then if I go back 2, I end up 9. So right about there. And so I can connect all the dots and see all the cubics here look kind of like this little curvy shape. So mainly just get the points, the 5 that you need, so 0 and then 2 on each side, so I picked 2 positive, 2 negative ones, and then you can make your graph from that.